Hi guys, so today we're going to be fixing this fridge. As you can see, it's not responding. Whatever button I press, I just get this crazy screen and it's not responding at all. So today we're going to be fixing this. This is a Whirlpool fridge, but yours could be a different brand, a KitchenAid, but the internal components are pretty much the same. So today we're going to be looking into fixing it. So the main thing you need to do is, pull the fridge out, and on the back side you're going to see these 4 screws on a plate. And we're going to go ahead and remove these. You probably need like a 1/4 and then once you remove this with the screws, there is this circuit board on the back side of the fridge that we're going to remove. It is covered by a plastic piece, so we're going to try to take this out. You may need a flathead, a screwdriver or something, or you can just pull it with your finger, and just get it out. So let's go ahead and get this thing out with the flathead screwdriver. And as you can see, I just pried it out. Now what we need to do is get this board out, but before you get the board out, you have to remove these wire connections, from the board. So these are just clip on. Just press on the tab and just pull it towards you, and that should be an easy out. Shouldn't take too much force. Just make sure you guys don't break anything. And we're gonna just get this one out. There you go. And once you have these out, then it's just a matter of pulling the board out. And there are 2 tabs at the bottom and the top side. What you have to do is pry this out. You may want to use a flathead screwdriver again, or you can try to pry it with your hand, but just be careful. You don't want to break those tabs, because once you break them, that's it. You probably won't be able to fit in the new board in there. So just make sure, take your time, don't rush in, and just push it in nice and easy, and try to get the board out without breaking the tabs. Let's see if I can get this out. Okay, so I'm going to just push this down, and seems like the tab is out of the way, so now I should be able to just slide it right out. There you go. So now I have the board out, and we're going to replace it with a different one. Now, a couple of things that can go bad. You can inspect the board. There might be these capacitors. These are the most common point of failures. So if you really want to repair it, you can start with these capacitors and and see if you can fix it. But in my case, I grabbed the part number and I ordered a replacement board from Amazon. Okay, so I ordered the replacement part. This is the replacement part. Make sure your part number matches. Even though my Maytag number is a little bit different on the older one. But according to my research, I think it should work. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one. So once you're done putting the board, just put those screws back in and put this back, and then it'll be ready to turn the fridge on. So with the power on, I'm seeing this, and I'm going to open up the fridge, get the code. Is 2020. So I got my code 2020 and I enter it right here. So all I had to do was hold on to the temperature and the down key together, and Then I released the temperature, but I kept holding on to the down key. And once I did that, I was in the PE mode and there was nothing over there. I was in the PE mode, and then I pressed the top arrow, and that's when the decimal point started moving. So the top arrow was right here. I moved it over, changed the number to 2 from this key, and then I moved it again, and the decimal point kept moving. And right now it's 202, and then I moved it like this. So you see how the decimal points moves, and then this is my code 2020. And once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and press the down. And now it starts flashing, and to exit I press this one more time, and you see the compressor turned off, and then now it's back. So now it's set to the temperature that you need, and everything else is up and working. And this is how you pretty much set it up. So hopefully it helps you guys fix your fridge. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.